rest of them died. I think I'd already spotted the queen, I'm not sure. Anyways, you get the idea. It's just endless dead bees when you pull these frames out. Oh wow, they're in there, because of course that propolis gets cold, right? So since the last video, I'd come out here and checked on them on a slightly warm day right before vacation, and we discovered that there was actually a large amount of loss. We had already lost 7 hives. They were alive not long before, but I guess they just finally ran out of honey, and it was fairly recent, it looked like. So anyways, we quickly grabbed a little bit, made a little bit of fondant. I'm stepping in a puddle. We threw it in the hives, and we still had the 7, and then when we came back on vacation, after about 10 days, we had lost 2 more hives, and it said they'd eaten all their fondant. Looks like they starved. So we're gonna go ahead and put more fondant in some of these hives right here, because well, they need more. So anyways, we'll show you what it looks like when the beehive is dead. I looked in with a flashlight first just to see if there was any movement in there, which would be the first sign. And then of course when I didn't see a lot of movement, I popped her open. So this is a Greek tragedy is what this is. Look at this. Look at that. Yeah, look at that. Liquidy is all over. Look at this. Yeah, it's ridiculous. Starved to death with tons of honey right beside you. I'd give this to the other hives. But that's delicious. Their loss, I guess. Wow, that's good. I got bee poo on me. It's too cold to open the hives like that. Like, you know what? You don't want to. You don't want to crack the hive right open at this point and drop frames and stuff. I mean, it's. I'm not wearing a jacket because I'm a fool. It's cold out. Anyways, I don't know. Might as well leave that open like that for now. No reason to close that. So, anyways, what we're gonna do is we're gonna get into these hives right now. So let's do that. They're fairly active today. So we're probably going into a feisty hive. I'm gonna came with a bit of precaution here. I'm gonna wear a veil. Oh, yeah, they're very interested in what I'm doing. Okay, come on down. Oh, good looking ball. Come down. A little hard, but should serve the same purpose. Okay, I got it done. Ah! Let's try this again. A little bit calmer this time. Okay. Everybody needs to calm down. little calmer. They're going to cool off pretty quick. And they're also getting separated. Next time I'd pour this a little thinner so it goes under a little easier.